In this video, I will talk about YouTube channel ideas that don't require you to talk or use your voice and monetize your channel. Number 1. Music. You don't need a voice in your videos if you want to keep to instrumental music. Bass Nation is a channel that performs some very nice instrumental music while utilizing a static image as the visual. Social Blade estimates that this channel could be making between $1,000 to $23,000 a month. Number 2. Cooking. Cooking channels like Amazon Kitchen don't need to use words to demonstrate how to prepare delicious dishes. In fact, Amazon Kitchen is one of my favorite shows to watch since you may learn something while listening to the sounds of nature, such as a fire crackling or water running. This channel could be making between $600 to $10,000 monthly. Number 3. Gaming. Gaming is, of course, one of the most popular YouTube channel categories since it's so much fun to play video games and earn money at the same time. However, you don't have to be a live broadcaster to be successful with a gaming channel. Like PackAttack04082 with estimated earnings of $10,000 to $163,000 a month, and Boss Fight Database with estimated monthly earnings of $1,000 to $27,000, you may make walkthroughs, tutorials, highlights, and other videos. Number 4. Tutorials. If you enjoy doing tutorials, the Primitive Technology channel may be of interest to you. They have a person in the forest create all kinds of buildings and other useful things out of materials found in nature in their movies. There are no words necessary in this situation. This channel has estimated earnings of $800 to $13,000 a month. Number 5. Voiceovers. When you look at most Amazon authors, you'll see that their audiobooks are generally narrated by someone else. This is a method to include narration in your videos without having to use your voice. You could make whiteboard animations of books like Fight Mediocrity or whatever else you choose and hire someone to give the narrative on Fiverr. This channel has estimated earnings of $800 to $13,000 a month. Number 6. Pets. What cat lover doesn't like a nice cat video? When YouTube first launched, the running joke was that all people submitted were silly cat videos and other such nonsense. Despite this, they continue to receive millions of views today. Check out Texas Girly 1979. It has $17 to $200 monthly estimated earnings. Number 7. Animation. Animation has long been a popular method of gaining millions of YouTube views. What's also nice about these channels is how you can remain anonymous by utilizing cartoons as the visual and either no voices, text only, as in Pokemon games, simply background music, or strange voices that you make up. The official Pokemon YouTube channel is earning about $7,000 to $100,000 monthly. Number 8. Computer voice. You don't have to use humans to create voices for your channel. Though I wouldn't recommend it, you could utilize Siri, naturalreaders.com, or any other software to read a script for you. As a result, several useful channels have gained a lot of views. Number 9. Interesting facts or history. The list, Interesting Facts, History YouTube channel is another sort of channel that I've seen gain a lot of views without talking. Channels like Dark 5 use video from historical events and intriguing places all around the world to bring out stuff you might not know about. Dark 5, for example, does not employ narrative and instead relies on text and graphics. This channel has estimated earnings of $1,000 to $19,000 a month. Okay guys, those are our YouTube channel ideas that don't require you to talk or use your voice. Let me know what you think, ask me a question, or suggest something I cover in the future in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new content, and be sure to click the notification bell and select all so you'll know when we post a new video.